Initializing.
So promptology has become a big thing to such an extent that I think that people will safeguard their prompts as you won't believe. You will find prompts in vaults. Prompts become a secret source. So you can imagine that promptology is quite a big subject in marketing, branding, all your secret sauce, all those hidden gems will be placed into prompts and used in all kinds of tasks like creating ads and things like that. So the first thing to do is you need to be specific. You need to say what language you're going to programming. Is it the Arduino IDE? What microcontroller is it for? You need to be very clear on what pins to use. You need to keep in mind things like the desired output. Should it be a single code block or should it be multiple files that's included then in the main file? Things like that. Some of the secret source that you can think of is when you go into code, when you write code, do it in small tasks. First, start off with just put, let's say, buttons on a page. When that works, move on to maybe graphs on the page. Then move on to Bluetooth connectivity. Don't try to do all at once. So a prompt structure should always be clear. You need to give the context. It need to be concise. And it need to be creative. For instance, a web page, you can say, make it a cyberpunk theme. Or RGB LEDs make cyberpunk colors, the neon purples, and so forth. Something that you will find very, very important is how libraries should be handled. There's libraries and there's libraries. Some is good, some is not necessarily so good. And you will do well if you can specify the libraries you want to use. For instance, on the ESP, you'll find that if you want to create a web server on the ESP, there's 3, 4, 5 different libraries available. So play with the libraries and look what libraries will be best for you. Then there are things called trigger words. Stuff like optimize, debug, compare. You know, an example can be take this code and optimize it for battery use. So this code must be very power efficient. That is a good example. So everything I've explained here, I've also made a summary of it in the lesson description, and it's something that you can really take note of. That's about it. We're going to, in the next lesson, create a prompt to show exactly everything that I've just mentioned. So I'll see you in the next lesson.
Initializing.